Thought groups. Listening speaking activity. Correcting misplaced thought groups. Each of the following sentences contains a misplaced thought group. Rewrite each sentence so that the modifying thought group is put into its correct position. Lastly, make a digital recording as you read the sentences aloud. You should remember to use a slight pitch fall on a non-final thought group and to use a full pitch fall on a final thought group. Make sure that you speak directly into your microphone so that you can get a clear recording of your pronunciation. After you finish, compare your recording to a sample native speaker recording. Example: Tom was enthusiastically congratulated by the recruiter. And the misplaced thought group is deciding to join the Army. So then you might rewrite it to say, deciding to join the Army, Tom was enthusiastically congratulated by the recruiter. So the recruiter did not decide to join the Army, Tom did. That's why we put it near Tom. Now you could also say, if you wanted to, Tom, deciding to join the Army, was enthusiastically congratulated by the recruiter. That's also correct. Using a sheet of paper, rewrite each sentence so that the thought group is put into the correct position. Pause the video now. Possible answers. Now pause the video and make a voice recording of these 5 sentences, paying particular attention to thought groups. Make sure that you speak directly into your microphone so you can get a clear recording of your pronunciation. 1. Upon approaching my house, I noticed a broken window. 2. Death Valley, one of the remotest areas in California, boasts summertime temperatures which are among some of the hottest in the world. 3. Born in Atlanta on January 15, 1929, King had family rooted in the African American Baptist Church. 4. Political satire found in newspapers across the United States is aimed at prominent leaders such as the President, governors, and leaders of Congress. 5. A cousin of Charles Darwin, Sir Francis Galton, was interested in the measurement of intelligence because he wanted to increase it through selective breeding.